know what's amazing to me? I meet so many kids who tell me that they don't talk to their parents don't talk to them. Sometimes they text their parents as opposed to talking to their parents. And I guess my question is, whatever happened to having a relationship with your parents? Being able to talk to them, being able to ask them questions, being able to listen to them deal with each other, being able to watch how they deal with stuff like budget and the family and all of that. There's a lot to be learned by developing a relationship with your mom and your dad. Doesn't mean you're gonna like everything they say. Guess what? Newsflash, they don't like everything you say. They don't like everything you do. And you are not gonna like everything they do. But you still have to have mutual respect, and we need to learn from each other. There's stuff your mom and your dad need to learn from you. But if they're not around you, they can't learn it from you. If you're always just on the phone talking to your friends, if you're only texting your friends, not interacting with mom and dad, they can't learn from you. And likewise, you can't learn from them. You know what that means? Wow! That means all the things that they fell on their face with, you're going to probably fall on your face with too. You know why? Because you haven't learned from them.
Life lessons. We live.